if a EU family members like child over 21 come to the UK as a dependent, and if he start work, he is no more financially dependent, will he lose his right of residence? Or when he will apply for indefinite leave to remain or settled status, does he need to provide evidence that he is financially dependent, because he start work and earning money and he is no more financially or receiving support, financial support from his mom or dad or extended family member, EU nationals? The answer is no. What the court said today, Court of Appeal, and this is what I'm taking, and this is a very important decision which Court of Appeal said in the case of the King of the Application of Ali versus Secretary of State for Home Department. And what Court of Appeal said basically that a child who is over 21 and has right of residence based on dependency on their EU citizen parents doesn't lose those rights if they start working and are no longer financially dependent on their parents. Now, this is the case basically Court of Appeal. This is a reversed decision from the High Court because the High Court was a different decision, and only one grounds the appellant, who was a Bangladeshi national's, appeal against the High Court decision to the Court of Appeal, is that someone he came, so for example, he came in the UK over 21, or someone else, let's take an anonymous example. Someone came as a child of a EU national, 23 years old. When he came to the UK, now he is financially dependent. He already established it, and that's why accordingly he was granted EU family permit. When he came to the UK, he is a young 20 years or 30 years old. Should he stay at home just to prove that he is financially dependent? Of course, no. The answer is he has right to work under Article 23, under the Article 23 of the withdrawal agreement. He should continue to, he should start work. Now, when he start earning money, he doesn't need financial support from his parents or from his relatives as a dependency. So he is working. And when he sees his dependency from his parents, this is the question: will he lose his right of residence under the EU law? The answer, Court of Appeal said no. Secondly, when he will apply for settled status, the dependent family members need to prove that the relationship and dependency relationship. So the answer is whether, the answer is whether when he applies settled status, he need to prove that he is dependency, or the Home Office bring an argument. Well, from our HMRC record, it showed that you are earning and you are not receiving support from your EU national sponsor. It's not appear on your bank statement. So and you are not living with them. So the question is, because of he started working, does he or she lose his right? And that is the answer Court of Appeal is given. What the Court of Appeal actually mentioned, that the EU citizen and the family member have a right to work under EU withdrawal agreement, and here is, so Article 23 granting the right of work. Now because someone need to be dependent on EU national, should he stop working to give up his right to work under Article 23? This is a trap. The answer is shouldn't. Therefore, he has right, a EU family member, dependent family member, has right to work under Article 23. Accordingly, he exercises his right. It doesn't mean that he sees his dependency. So at the point of application, the dependency is established, and that doesn't need to be established again if he start work. Okay, so this is what the Court of Appeal. So if you need any help, my name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm a solicitor at SWF Solicitor. If you need any assistance regarding a refusal of EU residence card or EU settled status or pre-settled status, because you have started work since you are in the UK, and therefore Home Office argue that you seize the dependency on your EU family member, therefore you're not satisfied or you are not eligible to get the residence right or pre-settle or settle status, please feel free to contact me. My details appear on the bottom of the screen. If you Google SWF solicitor, we'll find our details. We have office in Milton Keynes, London, but we can advise you over the telephone or Zoom meeting, online, WhatsApp video call. Any assistance, please call us or 020 8090 4780. Thank you.